Next, we need to create wall lower sprites that move to the left side of the screen while the Jetboy moves down. Here we create sprites of different positions from different places. Let's see how to create sprites in this way. I drag a repeat while code block under control below the set label scores text code block like this. Here, let's connect a code block with the equal sign in the logic for the condition. Drag the app variable game state code block under variables to the left of the equal sign. Let's drag a true code block under logic to the right with the equal sign like this. At the beginning of the game, the value of the game status variable was assigned as true. Now we are going to randomly create two wall lower sprites at a time when the game status is true. Let's first assign a random number in the random variable. I click variables and drag a set app variable score to code block into the repeat while code block. Let's assign a number between 1 and 3 in the random variable. I click math and link a random integer from 1 to 100 code block here. Let's type 3 instead of 100 here. Okay. Now a number between 1 and 3 is assigned in the random variable. At this point, let's decide the height and location of the two wall lower sprites according to the random number received. For example, if you get 1 as a random number, the height of one wall lower sprite is given as 120 and the Y position as 75. And the height of the other sprite is given as 200 and the Y position as 310. If you get 2 as a random number, the height of one wall lower sprite is 105 and the Y position is 74. And the height of the other sprite is 240 and the Y position is 320. In this way, the height of the sprites and the places where they are created will change for the three random numbers. Here, we only change the Y position where the sprites are created. At all times, the X position is constant. Okay, first, let's create the code for random equal 1 case. An if-else code block under control is dragged below the set app variable random to code block that we created earlier. Let's drag a code block with the equal sign under the logic for the condition. Let's connect the app variable random code block in variables to the left side of the equal sign and a code block with 0 under math to the right side. We change the value here. Okay, now let's give values for the height and Y position of the two sprites for the case that the value assigned to the random variable is 1. First, let's give the height and Y position for the first sprite. Drag the setup variable height 1 to code block under variables here. Let's connect a code block with the 0 under math again here. Here the value is changed to 120. In this way, to give the value for the Y position, click variables again and drag a code block here to set app variable Y position 1. As before, let's connect a code block with 0 under math for the value and set the value as 75. Again, the height and Y position should be given for the second sprite. Drag the setup variable height 2 to code block under variables here and connect a code block with 0 under math again here. Here, the value is changed to 200. Give the value for the Y position again. Click variables again and drag a setup variable Y position to code block here. As before, let's connect a code block with 0 under math for the value and set the value as 310. Okay, now the code is prepared for the case where the value of the random variable is 1.